science of this technology, you don't understand. I explained that when you have the three, in the action of these, you produce magnesium. Calcium and magnesium are of the same strength. So this water cup has the strength to match the salt, the strength of magnesium or calcium, and can open it up. This is why it's effective. We match bird with birds, lions with lions, and wolves with the wolves. This wolf has the salt capability of the calcium. With this, with magnesium, choice of magnesium, the way I've done it, is not only you, in a way, open the energy of the calcium, but you use the magnesium to connect the soul and the physicality together. This cup will take millions of years for man to understand what I gave you. Those of you who use a straight zinc and a straight copper plates and whatever, they say the system doesn't answer so good as the others, because I designed specifically the spiral system. Each one covers a spectrum of the field forces. The same on the other side. You divert, make deviation from what I give you, it's your decision. And then in this process, you create magnesium. You use flat everything, sorry. And then you say it doesn't work so good because you don't listen. You make your own variation and your own thing. It's the freedom of the man. I make. You followed my way, understood the technology the way it's done, you get 100% success. Because when I make things, I calculate a lot of things which you have no knowledge of. This has one bandwidth. If the bandwidth of the coronavirus is this, you missed it. With this, somewhere here or even here, it could be for the heart, it could be for the lung, it could be for the intestines, or boom, I covered it. You're a snooker. Make as many versions as you like.